if you're ever looking for your toolkit and owner's manual on a 2002 Honda VTX. You can find it under the left side cover. There's only 3 rubber grommets that are holding this in, so you just pull out on each side and the bottom. Underneath, in front of the battery location, you'll see a little box in here. There's a little keyhole at the bottom. You can use your ignition key to open that up, put the key in, turn to the left, pull out, and there you go, your owner's manual and your Honda toolkit. Hope that saves you some time.